Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by updating both devices to current operating systems for best compatibility. Update your iPhone to iOS 16 or later, and your Apple Watch to watchOS 9 or later. Sign into both devices with the same Apple ID to allow data transfer and health syncing. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone and watch to enable pairing. Keep the watch and phone within 3 feet during the initial pairing process to avoid dropped connections. Charge both devices, at least 50. Open the watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing to connect the devices. Follow on-screen instructions and center the watch face inside the animated viewfinder. When prompted, choose Restore from Backup or Set up as New Watch based on your needs. Create or confirm a passcode on the watch to secure health data. In the watch app, go to Privacy and enable health and fitness permissions to share activity, heart rate, and vitals. Confirm health app access when the permission prompt appears on the iPhone. Open the health app and check the summary to verify activity, heart rate, and workouts are syncing. Allow a few minutes for initial data transfer after pairing and for the health database to update. If you do not see data, restart both devices and ensure they remain signed in with the same Apple ID. In the Watch app, use Reset Sync data if minor issues persist. For persistent problems, unpair the watch from the iPhone and then repair it to reinitialize a clean sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.